Okay, we're going to do a quick video on the unboxing of a DEPSTECH inspection camera. And so let's open this box up and see what it comes with. Okay, brought you in a little closer, and as you can see, we've skipped all the glamour here. We just got some cardboard laid out on the work cart. But I bought this DEPSTECH, and DEPSTECH, I kept mispronouncing that name. I think I may still be mispronouncing it. But it's made by Shenzhen Deep Sea Innovation Technology. So I would assume DEPS-TECH stands for Deep Sea Technology. It is just a basic inspection camera. I've considered getting one from Harbor Freight and the like. Ordered this one off of Amazon. I think it was around $68 shipped. Let's just open the box and see what we get in here. See what it comes with when you spend your money on one. Right out of the gate, we see a case there. So I'm assuming this is going to be a very quick video. It's a decent case, zipper pouch. Let's open this up. Okay, we've got our tube here. It's a little hook and a magnet so that you can screw that on the end of your camera. There's the camera. That thing is very narrow. That should fit into a lot of areas. The cord is semi-rigid, so we can bend it around. It should hold its position. It comes with a rather long cord. I think it was like 16 point some feet. 16 feet's a lot more than what I would need. I really probably only need about 4 or 5, if that. But that's nice to have. Comes with your USB-C charging cable. I believe that's USB-A to USB-C. The camera's in the top pouch here. Comes with our manual. And then the camera itself. Comes with a warning label. Yeah, if you read in the reviews online, they indicate make sure that you push this cord down inside the connector until it snaps. Make sure it's deep enough in there, you'll have some trouble. Fairly basic unit here. And peel that cover off. And we've got our camera here. I need to charge this up and turn it on. We have SD card here. It comes pre-installed with a memory card. I think it's supposed to be 32 gigs. Yep, 32 gigs. I can't see there. I think that says class 10. Wonder if it's really a class 10 card. It's obviously generic. And then your USB charging port. So not much to it. Let's see if we can turn this guy on. Got a light on the end of the camera. I believe if we press the left or the right arrow, that should make that's as bright as it goes. And we press the left arrow, the brightness goes down till it turns off. The quality here is, let's see, that's pretty good quality. They claim it's 1080p. I doubt the screen is 1080p, but maybe the image it records to the SD card's 1080p. Also, this is the dual screen. It has the camera on the front and then a camera on the side. And let me see, I believe we press the, looks like a recirculate button here to change cameras. Yep. And now we can see the light on the side came on. Oh, look at that ugly mug. So turn that back around. And, oh, that's dual screen. So you can see both cameras. And if we see our image there sideways or side by side in the background, I think we hit this button, the rotate button. It flips the image 180 degrees. It'd be nice if it flipped it 90 degrees, but 180 is good enough. All right, let's turn that off. I'm gonna get a full charge on it. This was not a instructional video. It's just a quick unboxing. So what you get, instruction manual, charge cable, the magnet and the hook that screws onto the end of your camera. There's a protective cap that screws off. You get the 16 point some foot inspection cable or camera, and then you got the camera box itself. So it's pretty nice. This costs a little bit more than another one I was looking at. I can't remember the other brand, but the other one did not come with a case. This one was about $8 to $10 more. I figured that's worth it just to have the case, so I don't have to lay all these loose items around in a drawer somewhere. Well, look, appreciate you watching. Again, it's about $67 on Amazon. If I can remember, I'll put a link up down below. You can read plenty of reviews. There's plenty of videos on YouTube of other people using the camera. So appreciate you watching.